and also a little suggestion for your Christmas list. Have you noticed how many really fantastic Christmas wrapping papers there are in the shops? So many different styles. You can even get glittery ones, multicoloured wrapping paper, and look at this fantastic metallic holographic effect wrapping paper. And of course there's this old-fashioned boring brown wrapping paper. And do you know which one is my favourite of all? The boring brown wrapping paper. Oh, I don't use it for wrapping prezzies. It's great for sketching on if you use it on the non-shiny side. And you can get a really traditional old-fashioned effect if you use drawing pencils in black, white and a range of browns. So, OK, here we go. Now, I'm just going to start with this fab ready brown. I'm just going to put in some rough sketching, just the rough shapes. So it's just the outline at the moment. No need to put in any detail. Can you guess what I'm drawing? No, she's not doing her homework. Well, it is Christmas, isn't it? Think about it. Just put a foot up there like that. And it's just the rough shapes I'm looking for at this stage. Now to put in the detail. I'm going to lightly shade in some areas, and the idea is to just pick out those areas away from the light. So if the light is coming in this direction, maybe from a window over here, then these areas here will be in shade down this side of the arm and underneath here like that, and just those areas that the light can't get to. And don't forget there'll be a little bit of shadow under the girl herself, again in the place that the light can't get to. So work out where your light's coming from. For the really darker bits, I'm going to use this darker sepia colour. So just add in the really dark bits in all the nooks and crannies. And you know, I really like the way the lines in the grain of the parcel paper are showing through. And to really bring it to life, I'm going to put some highlights on with white pencil. So if the light is coming from here, just lightly pick out those top edges or the sides facing the light. And now the picture really comes to life. Writing her Christmas list. I hope she's remembered to put a few coloured pencils on it. Hey, I hope you've got some too. If not, maybe a little stocking filler? Try it yourself. Shades of brown and white coloured pencils on brown parcel wrapping paper.